Do you ever buy peppers and you put them in your refrigerator and you forget about them and then they get all wrinkly and really not so pretty? Well, let me show you what I do if that happens, because don't throw them away. We're going to roast them. So now I'm going to put mine in a bowl and I am going to cover them with just a light spraying of avocado oil. Now you want your grill on 450, 500 degrees, and once you get hot, you're just going to put your peppers on there and you're just going to keep an eye on them and turn them. And what you want is for that skin to blister off, which is why it's okay that it got wrinkly on you. So you just want to keep turning them and keep an eye on them. Now once your peppers are evenly charred, back into your bowl, and then we're going to cover this with saran wrap and let it sit about 10 minutes. And watch the shrimp boats go by. And then you just want to peel off all of that skin from your pepper. Now these red bell peppers, they're one of my favorites, and I always want to make pimento cheese when I do this. But you could also make a roasted red pepper salad dressing. You could add this to risotto or just add them to your salad. Now what I like to do once I have the skin and seeds removed is to chop my peppers up pretty fine. Now these are poblanos, which I just adore, and eggs, burritos, rice, so many uses for these roasted poblanos. So anytime if you went to the store and bought like a can of roasted peppers, you know, those little tiny cans, you could just substitute this for that. And you can see just how much that one poblano pepper has yielded. And then what I like to do is I take my ice cube trays here and just pack these right down in here, nice and tight. And then once you freeze them through the magic of the freezer, then you just pop them right out. And I just have little containers in my freezer where I store them. Make sure that you list on there what they are so you don't forget. And then whenever you need just a little bit of roasted pepper, whichever kind that you roasted for something, there they are in your freezer, ready to go. And those peppers, they didn't look so pretty to begin with. Well, they turned out just perfect and beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.